Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. So in my last video, I was talking about how we had this trend line going like this. We were finding support on it, and we broke below it right here, and we've been kind of trending down ever since. We've been finding some support in this area right here, though. It looks like we could draw a trend line going like that, and we're forming another sort of triangle pattern, something like that. It looks like it's kind of moving down still, but we are finding support right here around this 38% level. It dipped down once, dipped down twice, and it almost touched it right there. I still have my limit order set in case we break to the downside, but I'm kind of wondering if we have maybe a flag or a continuation pattern. I'm wondering if this move right here is a flag pull right now. So if we target from here, if we target from the top to the bottom of this run, and then we drag that to the breakout, let's say it breaks out to the upside going this way, we're possibly looking at a target of 87 cents approximately. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this looks like a flag or a pennant pattern? If you go to the 4-hour time frame, and let me delete everything, and let me also show you that we are still underneath this 4-hour moving average. I am waiting for us to break above this 4-hour moving average for us to start getting bullish again. I have a feeling that it's going to give us a little bit of resistance for a while, and then once we break through it, then we can start getting bullish. So what I'm doing is I still have my limit orders set in case we break to the downside, and then I'm watching this trend line right here in case we break to the upside, and then I'll start slowly putting in my orders, and then once we break this top line right here, I will get more aggressive as we go up and kind of dollar cost average in general. Let me show you guys a couple other things. So I want to show you guys the Dogecoin to Bitcoin chart, and we have something very similar going on where we had this run up and then support like this. We are testing this trend line right here, so I think it just depends if we go up or down from here on both charts. The other thing I wanted to show you is the total market cap, and we are in this big huge channel right now, and we are coming up on the top trend line. So I'm kind of wondering if we're going to get some resistance and get a correction in the total market, like the total crypto market, or if we're going to break through this resistance and the whole market is just going to explode. So I think pretty soon here in this little area right here, maybe we have until this ends on the 14th right here. The 14th is right here. So we'll see if we break up or if we break down from here. This might be a good buying opportunity, or if it breaks up, then it might be a good buying opportunity right here too. So we'll have to wait and see. And that's just the total crypto market cap. So yeah, and then the other thing I want to show you is the Bitcoin dominance. So if we go to the Bitcoin dominance chart, you can see we're on the 4-hour time frame, and let's go to the daily so you can get a bigger picture. But like the Bitcoin to all the altcoins is just getting pretty much wrecked, I guess you could say. So I mean, all the profits are in the altcoin, and this is just saying altcoin season right now, which is bullish for Dogecoin, and same with this one, same with this Dogecoin to Bitcoin chart. If we could break to the upside, that's going to be very bullish for Dogecoin as well. So yeah, keep your eye on those couple charts. If you guys want to know how I'm looking at all these charts and all these ticker symbols, check out this video. It's a trading view tutorial, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Alright, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.